Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to insert SIM card and SD card in your Honor 7S device. So let's take a look how to do that. In order to do that, I am always going to suggest you turn off your device and then insert your SIM card. So first of all, I'm going to turn off my device from here, and Honor 7S, the left side you will get your SIM card slot. Simply use any pin to push this hole, and then you will see that SIM card tray will be come out. Now you can add in your Honor 7S 2 SIM card and also 1 SD card. Here is your SD card slot, and then another 2 slot for your SIM card. Simply you can put your SIM card and also another SIM card like this, and if you have any SD card, just put it here and then close it like this. So this is how you can add SIM card and SD card in your Honor 7S device. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.